Good afternoon, everyone. We have now concluded 7 whole weeks of classes, and in an 8-week course is the equivalent of 7/8 of the course or 3.5 months of the class in a regular semester. This is the last week of the course. Hope you're having a good weekend. So here we go on to week 8, the last week of the course. Here are some items for you to be aware of for this week. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's where you'll see the topics being covered this week. All is left for this week is exam number 3. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar of Blackboard. Here's a summary of what is due this week. Exam number 3, Chapter 9 to 13, available Monday, August 6th, is due Thursday, August 9th, 18 by 11:59 p.m. I have updated the gradebook up to Reflection number 3, Special Topics number 3, and Geography News number 4. I'm still grading Special Topics number 4 that was due last Friday. My goal is to have everything cut up by tomorrow, Monday night, August 6th. Remember that the final grade will be determined by your final total number of points. 900 plus points gives you an A. 800 to 899 gives you a B. 700 to 799 a C. 6 to 699 a D. And anything less than 600 points will be an F. If you're missing assignments, quizzes, discussions, or reflections, you only have this week to complete them. If you are not done by the last week of the class, it will be reflected in your final grade. Please note that I have a very quick turnaround deadline to submit grades. Everything must be submitted by Friday, August 10th, as I am required to submit grades by next Monday morning, August 13th. Have a great rest of the weekend, and we'll see you online. Best, Samuel Cortez.